Gurdwara's always been there since I've grown up.
We went, but we didn't quite understand why we were doing it and what was the purpose of it. It was just something we've always done, never questioned it.
Yeah, it's just something we've been brought up with.
Yeah.
So you just continue whatever you've been brought up with by your parents. But in the back of my head, I did know what the purpose of life was, but I just wasn't acting upon it. So for me, the real change was when I actually fell pregnant with my first son, Zorawar Singh. So then I knew I was going to be in charge of another life. And that was when the penny dropped for me.
And also, your children are a reflection of you. So as a parent, you want to make sure that reflection's a good one. I've always been on that Sikh path, but it was never fully. And now, when the boys came along, it was a case of, right, we've got to set the example, we've got to set the benchmark for them. So yeah, they've definitely pushed us onto the right path.
I like to be a Sikh because Sikhs believe that you can meet God if you do Zorawar Simran, and you can also speak to God whenever you want to.
They're like the third generation of Sikhs in this country now. We really value our heritage. If we don't instill it in our children, it's going to kind of almost die away. So that's why we make a conscious effort to try and get them, to educate them about what our history is, who we are, and you see that they sometimes hold their own little divan where one will play the tabla.
It is fun because we get to do Simran for like 3 hours or 3.5 hours. After you've done Simran, you can feel powerful, and then I get to practice my tabla playing.
Without the Gurdwara, life would be very much different.
I'm sure that the kids would be on their own path as they got older, and we'd be on our path.
Yeah.
There'd be no family unity. We wouldn't think alike. I think there's been a massive difference with us. We're on the same path, the same mindset. I think, especially with myself, when things used to stress me out, and now with the Simran, it just keeps you calm, and you know things are happening for a purpose, and you don't need to get all worked up.
You can take control of your mind and you can avoid these problems that we are seeing in the modern world today. You see the effects of it and you can see the benefits of it, and then all of a sudden you want more of it. It's doing the Simran, doing the Seva, being very conscious that we're all given a set number of breaths and we've got to make every single one count.
If I hadn't come in on this path, I'd just be living life as just normal, and I wouldn't realise that actually you're meant to meet God in this lifetime and there'd be no purpose for me. And that is what has changed our life, I would say.